What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online doing research from home. If that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online doing research from home. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make money online doing research from home. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called I Can Make It Better. And on this website, what you're going to be doing is conducting surveys and managing communities. So let's read what it has to say here about this website. Okay, it says our Insight community platform makes what matters most. Your customers, the center of our business. The center of your business, excuse me. All right, let's scroll down here and see what else they got to say here. What's an Insight community? Insight communities help you go from insights to action faster, easier, and cheaper. Our integrated suite of feedback tools gives you ongoing, on-demand insights from the people that matter. Current customers, past customers, prospects, employees, anyone, anywhere. From insights to action, build better products, services, and customer experiences with powerful Insight community. So what you're going to be doing is with the communities, you're going to be managing these communities because these communities are going to help individuals with their companies and website to make them better. So it helps you to know your customers, improve your marketing, and grow your business. So you're going to be helping these individuals with their websites and companies. And as far as the pay, it varies from $10 to $1,000. So it just all depends. All right. It also says here, research made simple. With our platform, you control research. It doesn't control you. Hit the ground running with options from DIY to full service. Start small, scale at will. So basically, this is everything the company is going to receive from this website services, and you're going to help them by conducting the surveys and managing the communities. All right, so if you're interested in this website, just go to icanmakeitbetter.com. Now let's go to the next website. Okay, I'm at the next site, and it's called Experts 123. All right. So on here, you're going to be answering questions and asking questions. So it says here, got lots of questions. Lucky, we got lots of answers as well. Share, contribute things you know, learn, gain knowledge from others, earn score, expertise, points. So you'll be earning points, and once you earn these points, you can redeem those for cash. So on this one, it's a little bit different than the others, than the other one. Here, you're going to have to, once you put your answer, you're going to have to get people to view your answer. And once you go up the scale, the higher you get, the more points you get and the more money you get. So I really can't tell you the amount you're going to be getting. It's going to be different amounts, but it all depends on your views. So let's go here. Let me scroll down where it says, are you an expert? Sign up. Let me click that. So you go here and you sign up. You can continue with Facebook. You put your email, first name, last name, and password. And I'm going to go down here at the bottom. I'm going to click on careers. Okay, here careers, as you can see, they have answer and write. So if I click right here, you're going to answer this person's question. And so that's what you're going to be doing. So whatever question they have, you do your research on it and find the answer for them and put it there. And this is right here. It says write. So right here, you write, put your email, first name, last name, password. You got to log in. You got to sign up to do that. And if we go to ask, once you log in and everything, you can ask a question and somebody that's an expert in that field is going to answer that question. So basically that's how that works. So if you're interested in experts 123, just go to experts123.com. Okay, now you know the websites you can go to right now that will pay you to do research from home. Now, so go ahead and sign up with those websites, start doing that research, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward that person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. Now I'm currently at $3.90. I got a little ways to go, but I know I can make it there with you guys' help. So if you're new, destroy that subscribe button and drop that comment down below. All right, thank you for watching again. Please hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 25 likes. Let's get to 25 likes, guys. Give me the 25 likes. And please leave that comment down below so I can give away this free money. And share this on social media everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. That's a wrap. I'm out of here. Before I go, I just want you to know, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.